With JobBOSS², we can scale. I don't think I'll need to look for another ERP, hopefully ever, because I think I can scale with this ERP for a long time. When we were in Acme Gridley's shop, we had a lot of machines, but we had higher quantities. We didn't really have many open jobs. We started getting into Swiss type machining, and we started taking on shorter runs, but higher mix. And with that, we ended up going from usually around 40 to 50 open jobs with the multi-spindle to now we have 300 open jobs. We're able to handle that with fewer people than we did before when we weren't using JobBOSS². The system's ready to really just help us grow. I started another company during COVID, and from day one, we got JobBOSS². We started in 2020, it's ending 2023. And within those 3 years, we've grown 700% using JobBOSS². We were managing that company with very few employees and able to keep up with demand using JobBOSS². And then when we ended up moving to Vegas from Los Angeles, it was really easy. It was just unplug your computers, plug them in Vegas, make sure you're set up on Wi-Fi, and we're back and running. Everyone here uses it, whether you're on the shop floor doing data collection or you're in the office working on the full access version. It's ingrained through my quality system. At DeKing, it's about 95% implemented. We pretty much use everything.